So Eufy just dropped a brand new security system, and this could seriously change the game. See, it's called the Eufy NVR Security System S4 Max. And if you've been holding off on upgrading your home security, this might be the one that finally makes sense. But first up, for some of you watching, you might be asking yourself, what is NVR? Well, let me answer that. It stands for Network Video Recorder, but let's keep this real. It's basically the brain of your security system. Think of it like a DVR for your security cams. It stores all your footage locally on a hard drive instead of uploading everything to some mysterious cloud server. So now Eufy's kind of taken the next step to giving you full ownership of all of your security camera footage, which is insane. At least from what I can tell so far. Now we will have less issues with notification delay. See, Eufy is notorious for notification delays with their security cameras. Yes, because they are Wi-Fi connection and enabled and all that other stuff. You can get like the wired models, but typically that's only for power, which this may solve some of those issues, maybe. I haven't got my hands on the specific unit yet, so hopefully I will get the chance when it does become available. Now, because the S4 Max processes everything locally, that's supposed to get faster notifications, no waiting for the video to upload to the cloud, and no lag, so just instant alerts. Now, because the S4 Max is processing everything locally, it is one of those moments where it gets me excited, thinking that maybe we'll get faster notification speeds compared to Eufy's notorious not so fast notification speeds currently. Reason being is because technically, if it's all working locally, we don't have to wait for it to upload to cloud, pull it from cloud, and all that other stuff. We're not waiting for that delay in communication. It should be more instantaneous. Should is the key word here. And of course, I start thinking about other things like reliability. How reliable is this thing supposed to be, especially costing as much as it's going to cost? And of course, with this new update, some of us are worried about potentially having to pay a subscription fee. So far from what I can see, Eufy will be not charging a subscription fee, which is like the golden goose of Eufy security cameras right now, is the fact that we don't pay a monthly subscription fee. So good for you, Eufy, if this is consistent and keeps on going. So with all that foundation laid out with some basic questions that I wanted answered and I still want answered and you probably want answered and want to be aware of, the S4 Max has a few spec features that you should be aware of when you're looking into it and be, number one, it's going to be that it's got a 4K Ultra HD resolution. So it's supposed to have super clear footage. It's got expandable storage, so you can upgrade the hard drive if you need more space because of that NVR system built into it. It also has AI detection still with smarter alerts for people, cars, and even faces. And this is still something that I'm very skeptical about, but I have my fingers crossed because AI is pretty much growing super fast. But notification wise, I've had issues in the past. So anyway, and because this is going to be an NVR system, a network video recorder, this should all happen locally, which is pretty massive, especially with the past issues with the Eufy security cameras. And you know exactly which ones I'm talking about if you've been watching my channel for some time now. Now, I do got to say, I don't want to seem like I'm super hyped about the S4 Max, but there is some really cool stuff going on for it. So if you are excited like I am, I'm skeptical, but I am still excited about this new S4 Max coming out with the Eufy Security System brand. So I'll get that reviewed for you as soon as I can, but let me know in the comment section what are some questions you're hoping to see answered in my next video. What are you looking for in a security camera? And hopefully, just say hi. Just let me know in the comment section if you're still around. Obviously, before you leave, like, share, and subscribe. Right here in the corner, YouTube thinks that you would like that video. Check it out. Come on, click. Aloha.